Okay, good morning student. Tuesday algebra 10th B algebra problem set in that last part. Today is the last lecture of this algebra chapter number 2. Some last questions only remain. Word problem. Word problem means what? They will give not the equation, they will give just information. From that information we have to convert into the equation and then we have to solve the equation. That is the meaning of word problem. It is a quadratic equation, means 2 power equation, x raised to 2, m raised to 2, y raised to 2. So let's start. Number of students day by day decreasing. Before that, one very important point, very important question that they have asked frequently, that I want to explain in my method in a short calculation, because in textbook and in digest what is given, no, it is slightly confusing. You have done this formula method. In that first part of the formula method you are finding discriminant, means b square minus 4ac. On that base we have to solve this. So first we will do this, then we will go to word problem again. So question number 8, m minus 12 x square plus m minus 12 2m minus 12x plus 2. Compare with equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Remove x square, whatever that is a. Remove x, rest of rb. And last number, you got a, b and c. Now roots are real and equal. Point number 1. Point number 2. Therefore delta exactly it is 0. Discriminant value. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore b square is equal to 4ac. These 4 points irrelevant to the question. You have to write when it is given this. Whatever the question, you have to write these 4 points. So roots are real and equal. Discriminant value is 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore b square is equal to 4ac. Now again come to the question. Don't speak anything. B square 4 A C. Now don't open the bracket, just split up the bracket. 2 to the 4, 2 power of the bracket, so write 2 times 4 2, so m minus 2, m minus 12, m minus 12, 4 4, so m minus 12 is equal to 2, m is equal to 2 plus 12. So final answer is Dux, what you are writing? Dux. Dux Sadhu. Abhijit sir, one more Dux is there. Is there any problem? They are entering by GR number or what? He left. Writing my name. Okay, final answer is m is equal to 14. Dax, audio is clear or not? Because some students are okay. Bacha, wait for 10 seconds because sometime it take a little time to settle. Okay. Dax, what was the surname? Dax, have you? Dax. Okay. How they can enter? Because now it is very strict. They can enter only by their GR number registration. Hello. One Daksh Sadhu is there and another Daksh Sadhu was there. He left just writing my name, Vijay and all the things. That is why I am surprised that it is by. And after lecture I will talk to him. No. Because it is recording also, no, soon. Okay. It's become dry. This problem is very important, and see, without opening the bracket I have completed this and I got this answer very simply. If you will check with the digest and unique, no, it is double number of steps. So this is the best way, and these four are the unique standard steps for when they will ask for real and equal. So right, roots are real and equal, therefore discriminant is 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, b square is equal to 4ac. These we have to write for any questions. Then come again to the question which a, b, c are there, then substitute. Don't try to make the, don't try to open the bracket. A minus b square type, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Otherwise at the end you will get another one quadratic equation. Then you need to factor the middle term. Don't go for this. This method is not given in textbook, not given in digest. So you just do by this method. This is the simplest method. Correct? Very easily you will get 14. In that also you will get 14, but that 6 8s are like that you have to make the factor and you have to make total of 6 and 8. Don't do that. Next, 9th question. The sum of two root of quadratic equation is 5. Condition number 1, alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Sum of their cube. Condition number 2, alpha cube beta cube is equal to 35. Now, for the preparation of equation from the root, equation from the solution, we need total alpha plus beta. We need product alpha dot beta. So, alpha plus beta total cube is equal to alpha cube beta cube 3 alpha beta plus 3 alpha beta. Alpha cube 3 square b square, correct. A cube b cube c cube, correct. So like that you have to write the formula. Then see, first days I have to clear, otherwise no direct. Suppose alpha you have something, beta you have something, then I'll find alpha plus beta, find alpha dot beta, then x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha dot beta. So you need this and this. So this is given. Follow? So on the base of this is the introduction part. Yesterday I have signed all chapters notes, means main point, formula related to the MCQs. Very important points I have given. So keep it very safe, because it is in the mobile now. Sometime it will delete or okay, you can't find with the name. So write in your notebook or take the print out. It is very important. Till the March exam you need this. Algebra separate, geometry separate I have given. Okay, now alpha plus beta it is given. Fine. Now alpha plus beta I am writing all the terms. Alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha beta square plus beta cube. So this and this I will write same power together. 3 alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is 5 cube. Alpha cube beta cube, that is 35 given. 3 alpha dot beta we don't have, that we want for this, and total is given again 5. So this is 125. This comes this side, so it is 35. 5 is a 15 alpha beta. 125 minus 35 it is 90. 15 6 are 90, so alpha dot beta. So 1 and 2. Now I can use this x square minus x alpha plus beta five 6. So x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to, this is your equation. So Rahul Yadav, what happened with that? Okay, so whenever alpha and beta it is given, we are doing plus, we are doing multiplication, and that two answer we are substituting here. So we will get the equation, required equation. So exactly like that, we have given 1 and 2, but not product. So how to find the product value from this? Like this. From this to this also you can write, but I have given all steps. Now you can take the screenshot, so I can rub and can go for next question. question omitted, don't do. The difference between the square of two number is 120. The square of the smaller number is twice the greater number. Let, I am doing the question number 12. Let smaller number be x, bigger number be y. Difference between the square means bigger number square minus smaller number square is equal to 120. So x square, y square minus x square is equal to 120. And it is given square of smaller is twice the greater. Square of smaller twice of greater means bigger. So s means x square is equal to 2y. Substitute. These substitute. What is x square? 2y. Again, my best method. In C value, when there is 0, and at that time it is very easy to split up. So it is 1 to 0. Always remove 0. 12 tenza. You will get 2 as a difference. So y minus 12 plus 10, common of common, y minus 12 it is 0 or y plus 10 it is 0. So y is equal to 12 or y it is minus 2. But they have asked for positive number. So y is equal to 12 and x, how to get x? X square is equal to 2y. X square is equal to 2 in bracket 12. It is 6 forza, so 2 root 6. So larger number is 12, smaller number is 2 root 6. So 12 square means 144 minus 24, it is 1 to 0. In equation number 1 or in equation number 2, you can match. Eleven also remain. Mukund have 50 rupees more than Sagar. Suppose Sagar have X, Mukund 50 more. The product amount is 15,000. This you can solve by two methods. Both methods are fantastic, easygoing and unique that you will not find in another textbook. So first method is x square plus 50x minus 15,000. Second method x plus 50 15,000. First I will complete this. From 15,000 you need 50. When here there is a 0 and here there is a 0, At that time, cut 1 0, cut 2 0. Now, not to get 50 from 15,000, now to get only 5 from 150. This is best method. From 150 we want 50, we want 5. So again cut 0. So 15 tens are 15 minus 10, you will get 5. Now add both the sides 0 0 0, so difference also will 50. This is the best method. No need to do any rough work. So 150 and 100. So x square plus 150x minus 100x minus 15,000 is equal to 0. From this and this common of common. Minus common, so inside plus. Common of common. X plus 150 is equal to 0. X minus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 150. X is equal to 100. Amount, currency cannot be negative. So this is the answer. X for this S value is X value, it is 100. And M's value is X plus 50, so it is 150. Second best method, no need to go for factor, no need to go for common of common, no need to bifurcate. You will even not get negative number, so no confusion. First bracket into second bracket, it is 15,000. So x plus 50 is equal to 100 and 150. 150 into 100, 15,000. X plus 50 is equal to 100 plus 50. Now try to catch the rhythm. X plus 50. X plus 50. 100 plus 50. X plus 100. X plus 50. X plus 50. 100 plus 50. So what is x? Again same. Network issue. There is some variation in this. See, when this difference and this difference are equal, at that time you can do only this method. Student, if you have any question you can write, I'll explain again. That's voice is clear now, huh? For 2-3 seconds no, it was fluctuating, so maybe now it is clear. Okay, take screenshot because this both the method are very important. If you will go by this, no, only positive answer you will get. No need to write the argument that currency cannot be negative, amount cannot be in the negative. Directly positive answer. And see, rhythmic x plus 50, 100 plus 50. So x plus 100 plus. So what is x? X is 100. So take screenshot. दस स्क्रीन बराबर नहीं हो रहा है क्या है? What you people are sending like that? See. Okay, from the video you can take. Okay, you will get video very clear, sharp. Don't worry, you will not miss anything. Next. Ranjan wants to distribute 540 oranges among the student. If 30 students more, each will get 3 less orange. Find the number of the student. In SSC board, full syllabus will be there, quadratic equation also will be there, simultaneous equation also will be there. Here chapter wise exercise you are doing, chapter wise word problem you are doing, so you can come to know that it is a quadratic or it is a simultaneous. But all of a sudden the same question will come into the SSC board. You can't judge that it is from simultaneous or quadratic, but you can start from any. You can start from quadratic also, you can start from simultaneous also. You will get correct answer. I know that this is a quadratic equation chapter. I'll start with simultaneous. See, automatically I'll get the answer. Number of student, number of oranges, this into this, total orange. Total they have given 540. Suppose students are X, number of oranges are Y. There is a problem from my side, you don't worry. Okay. Number of student X, number of oranges are Y per student. So the total is 540, that is given. Suppose these are 54 and each are given 10. So 54 into 10 is equal to 540, like that. And suppose the number of students are 10 and the per student they are giving 54. So 54 into 10 is equal to 540, like that. Now number of oranges will be the same, but 30 will increase, so 3 will decrease. 30 will increase, 3 will decrease. Still it will be this. So first bracket into second bracket is equal to this. So condition number 1, xy is equal to 540. Condition number 2, x minus 30, x plus 30, y minus 3, 540. Okay, now this into bracket. xy, 3x, 30y, correct. Now xy we have 540. this cancel. All divided by -3. So x minus 10y 30, because it is divided by minus 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, and change the sign because it is divided. Now from this y is equal to 540 by x, we can write. Substitute here x by 1 minus 10 540 by x plus 30, it is by 1 by 1. Overall LCM is 1. Sorry, LCM is x. X 1 za 1 x za x 1 za x 1 za. This into this x squared. This into this minus 5400. This into this plus 30x. This is 0. X squared 30x minus 5400. Now 5400 and we want 30. No. How to reduce? 30, 5400. Remove 0, remove 00. 1000, that you have to keep in mind. Now I want only 3 from 54. I want 3 from 54. 9, 6 are. So minus plus 9 minus 6 is equal to 30. So if I will add 0, automatically 2 0 will be added. Simple thing. So it is x square plus 90x minus 60x minus 5400x 5400 only. X correct. Common of common, x plus 90, x minus 60. So x minus 90 plus 90 is equal to 0, or x minus 60 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 90. Number of student cannot be negative. Number of oranges cannot be negative. Therefore, we will accept 60. X is equal to 60. Y is equal to 540 by 60 by x 540 60. This. So student, number of student x 60, number of oranges y 60 student per student. We are giving we are giving 999. So 69s are 540. Follow? Take screenshot. Video I am sending, but why I am telling you that to take the screenshot, because directly from one picture now you can write in your notebook workbook. Otherwise, in a video you have to search exact where this full location is there, minute wise, second wise. One more I want to explain. It is minus of that it is given. No, wait. This is very important. Sum of square of two consecutive natural number is 244. There we have to change the sum of square of two even. No, let me check. There is a mistake in question. Sum of square of two even consecutive natural number is 244. Let two even consecutive natural numbers x plus 2 condition sum of square is 244. This is the question. We have to consider even natural and consecutive, next to next. So square of first number, square of second number, it is 244. So x square, a square to ab, b square, this x square 4x, this comes this side, so it becomes 240. Correct? X square 2x, all divided by 2. See, my method is very helpful in each question, in problem. Again 0 and 2. Array, your name is this, but why you are writing the same name in ID? Now don't disturb and don't send any message. 1 to 0. Remove 0, so 10, 12 are. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, common of common. So x minus 12, x plus 12 is equal to 0, x minus 10 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 12, x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to plus 12. We want positive number. So first number is x 10, second number is x plus 2, it is 10 plus 2, that is 2. From first lecture I am telling you that every time whatever I will cover in my lecture, that you have to write in your workbook, notebook. Before exam, 101% of all subject notebook will be checked. Then only internal marks will be given to you. So instead of writing overnight on last day, do small little work every day. Anything students are writing. See, I'm taking lecture now, so you just attend the lecture. No need to go for tuition or for classes anyway. Why you are searching that? I can't understand. You have to just attend my lectures for maths and science. 100% I will solve your all the doubts. So be attentive, write regularly. When you will write, no, solve at your own. So at that time you will come to know that which difficulties you are facing. So at that time you can ask me. Follow. One more. Don't send message, I said. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll meet.